Hello friends, welcome back to Gear Up GK. So in today's video we are going to discuss 30 general knowledge questions on human physiology. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Which part of eye is used during eye donation? Answer: cornea. Which hormone is called the emergency hormone? Answer: adrenaline. The amount of light entering the eye is controlled by? Answer: the iris. The strongest muscle of man is found in the? Answer: jaw. If the radius of the blood vessels decrease, the blood pressure will? Answer: increase. The largest organ of the human body is? Answer: the liver. The blood bank of the human body is? Answer: spleen. The hardest part of the human body is? Answer: enamel. The uppermost layer of the skin is called? Answer: epidermis. The filtration unit of the kidney is called? Answer: nephron. What is the average weight of a human brain in grams? Answer: 1350 grams. Alpha keratin is a protein present in the? Answer: skin. The number of bones found in the skull? Answer: 8. What is the common element found in our bones and our teeth? Answer: calcium and phosphorus. The bones of humans become weak in old age due to the lack of? Answer: deficiency in calcium. The smallest bone of the human body is? Answer: stapes. How many pairs of ribs are found in the human body? Answer: 12. The total number of bones in a child is? Answer: 300. The bones joins the muscles with the help of? Answer: tendon. The longest bone found in man is? Answer: femur. The bone tibia is found in the? Answer: leg. The enzyme found in the saliva is? Answer: ptyalin. The process of digestion in humans starts from? Answer: the mouth. While sleeping, our blood pressure is normally? Answer: lower. The instrument used to measure the blood pressure is called? Answer: sphygmomanometer. The digestion of proteins starts from? Answer: the stomach. After digestion, the proteins are converted into? Answer: amino acids. The fluid bile is produced by? Answer: the liver. The main function of white blood corpuscles is? To produce the immune system of the body. What is the volume of blood found in a healthy person? Answer: 4 to 5 liters. So that is it for today's video. There will also be a part 2 of this human physiology GK questions. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to my channel Gear Up GK for more such videos. See you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.